ISO 18291 Clause 6 Human Resources. Clause 6 focuses on people and capabilities within the organization. It begins with general requirements, setting the foundation for managing roles and responsibilities. It then defines key functions, clarifying how different roles contribute to achieving organizational objectives. The section also outlines agent competencies, ensuring individuals have the necessary knowledge, skills, and behaviors to perform effectively. It further emphasizes skills development, highlighting the importance of continuous learning and improvement to keep pace with evolving demands. Finally, it addresses the communication of information to employees, ensuring that relevant updates, expectations, and insights are clearly shared to support alignment, engagement, and overall performance. Clause 6.1 focuses on ensuring that the customer contact center has the right people in place to deliver services effectively. This means having the right number of staff with the right skills and competencies available at the right time across all communication channels. Workforce planning and scheduling play a critical role in meeting client requirements and maintaining service levels. In addition, the organization must provide a suitable work environment that supports employees in delivering the desired customer experience. Together, these elements ensure that customer needs are met efficiently and consistently. For example, CCCS may use call volume forecasts to plan staffing requirements and ensure adequate coverage during peak hours. Skill based routing ensures that customers are connected to agents with the right expertise. Organizations may hire multilingual agents or cross train employees to handle multiple channels effectively. Providing ergonomic workstations and efficient tools also contributes to a better work environment. By continuously monitoring staffing levels, the CCC ensures that service level agreements are consistently met. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 6.1, organizations should maintain documents such as workforce planning policies, competency frameworks, and training plans. Policies related to the work environment and employee well being are also important. Records such as staff schedules, skill assessments, recruitment data, and training logs provide evidence that the right resources are in place. Additionally, staffing and SLA performance reports help demonstrate that workforce planning is effective in meeting customer and client requirements. Clause 6.2 focuses on defining and supporting all critical functions within the customer contact center. The organization must clearly specify the requirements for every role and ensure that employees understand what is expected of them in terms of performance. In addition, the CCC must be supported by a range of key functions such as leadership, human resources, training, technology, quality assurance, and operations management. Other important functions include compliance with regulations, workforce planning, reporting systems, subject matter expertise, and product knowledge management. It is essential that all these functions are handled by competent individuals to ensure smooth operations and consistent service delivery. For example, each role within the CCC may have a clearly defined job description outlining responsibilities and performance expectations. The HR team manages hiring, employee engagement, and retention, while training teams ensure employees are equipped with the necessary skills. IT systems support daily operations, such as call handling and reporting, and quality teams monitor interactions to maintain service standards. Workforce management teams ensure proper staffing, while compliance teams ensure adherence to legal and regulatory requirements. Subject matter experts and product specialists support agents in delivering accurate and reliable information to customers. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 6.2, organizations must maintain comprehensive documentation covering all key functions, including role definitions, competency frameworks, HR policies, and training plans. Additional documents related to IT systems, quality assurance, compliance, and workforce management are also essential. Records such as job descriptions, training logs, quality reports, scheduling data, compliance audits, and performance reports provide evidence that all functions are clearly defined and effectively managed. These records also confirm that competent personnel are supporting each function within the customer contact center. Clause 6.3.1 focuses on ensuring that agents are competent to handle the interactions assigned to them. The customer contact center must ensure that agents are only assigned to specific interaction types, such as calls, emails, or chats, for which they have the necessary skills and knowledge. In addition to technical competence, agents must demonstrate appropriate behavior and clearly understand the performance expectations of their role. This alignment between agent capability and task assignment is essential for delivering effective, consistent, and high quality customer interactions. For example, customer interactions may be routed based on agent skill sets to ensure the right person handles the query. Experienced agents may be assigned to complex issues, while new agents handle simpler interactions until they gain sufficient experience. Before handling live interactions, agents receive training on products, processes, and communication skills. Performance is continuously monitored using key performance indicators to ensure agents meet expected standards and deliver quality service. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 6.3.1, organizations must maintain documents such as competency frameworks, role based skill requirements, and training guidelines. These documents define what is expected from agents in their roles. Records such as competency assessments, training certifications, skill matrices, and performance evaluations provide evidence that agents are qualified to handle assigned interactions. Quality monitoring and feedback records further confirm that agents are consistently meeting required performance standards. Clause 6.3.2 focuses on the essential communication and customer service competencies required for agents. Agents must demonstrate a strong customer focused attitude and possess effective listening, communication, and comprehension skills to clearly understand and respond to customer needs. They should also be adaptable, able to handle a wide range of situations and customer types, including vulnerable customers who may require extra care and empathy. In addition, agents need to be goal oriented, capable of solving problems efficiently, and, where required, have strong business writing skills for professional communication. These competencies are critical for delivering high quality, empathetic, and effective customer service. For example, agents may actively listen to customers and acknowledge their concerns to build trust. They use clear and simple language to ensure understanding and adjust their tone depending on the customer's emotions. When dealing with vulnerable customers, agents show empathy and patience to provide appropriate support. Agents also focus on resolving issues efficiently within defined timelines and communicate professionally through written channels such as email or chat. All these actions demonstrate strong communication and customer service competencies. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 6.3.2, organizations should maintain documents such as communication guidelines, customer service policies, and behavioral standards. Training materials focused on soft skills and business communication are also essential. Records such as training assessments, quality monitoring reports, customer feedback, and coaching records provide evidence of agent competency. Additionally, samples of written communication help verify that agents meet the required standards in business writing and professional interaction. Clause 6.3.3 focuses on the technical competencies required for agents to perform their roles effectively. Agents must have a strong understanding of the systems and technologies used within the customer contact center, enabling them to handle customer interactions efficiently. They should also possess accurate data capture skills, ensuring that all customer information is recorded correctly. In addition, agents need a clear understanding of CCC specific processes and procedures to ensure consistency and compliance in service delivery. These technical competencies are essential for maintaining efficiency, accuracy, and overall service quality. For example, agents may use CRM systems to retrieve and update customer information during interactions. They should be able to navigate call handling and ticketing systems efficiently without delays. Accurate recording of customer details is essential to avoid errors and ensure continuity of service. Agents also follow defined workflows for resolving queries and use knowledge bases to provide accurate information. Additionally, they must handle system related processes such as creating tickets and escalating issues when necessary. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 6.3.3, organizations should maintain documents such as system manuals, process maps, and data management guidelines. Knowledge based documents and IT usage policies also support agent performance. Records such as training certifications, competency assessments, data accuracy reports, and system logs provide evidence that agents possess the required technical skills. Quality monitoring and audit reports further confirm that these competencies are applied effectively in daily operations. Clause 6.3.4 emphasizes that agents must be competent in client specific requirements. This means the customer contact center must ensure, together with the client, that agents have the skills and knowledge needed to fulfill tasks defined by the client and achieve the expected customer experience outcomes. Key areas of competency include thorough knowledge of the client's products, services, and brand, understanding and ability to follow customer related processes, appropriate language skills, and awareness of applicable regulations and legal requirements. These competencies ensure that services are delivered accurately, consistently, and in compliance with client expectations and legal standards. For example, agents may be trained on all aspects of a client's products and services, including the brand tone and messaging. They need to follow client specific customer service processes accurately, such as complaint handling or order management workflows. Language skills allow agents to communicate effectively with customers in their preferred language. Agents must also understand and comply with relevant regulations and legal requirements, including data protection and consumer rights. Additionally, agents may need to follow client specific escalation procedures and use client provided platforms to resolve customer inquiries. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 6.3.4, organizations must maintain documents such as client specific competency frameworks, product and service guides, process maps, brand guidelines, and regulatory compliance documentation. Records such as training completion, competency assessments, process audits, language proficiency certificates, and compliance training records provide evidence that agents are competent to meet client specific requirements. Client review feedback and performance assessments further confirm that agents are delivering service in line with client expectations and customer experience objectives. Clause 6.4 focuses on the development of agent skills to ensure consistent, high quality customer service. The customer contact center must review agent competencies at least once a year. Any agent identified as not fully competent should receive targeted learning interventions to close skill gaps. In addition, all agents should receive continuous development opportunities to enhance their skills and maintain competence. This ongoing skills development ensures agents are equipped to meet performance requirements and deliver the desired customer experience. For example, CCCS may conduct annual competency assessments to evaluate agent performance. Agents who are not fully competent in certain areas receive targeted training programs to close skill gaps. All agents participate in refresher training covering products, services, and processes, as well as programs to improve soft skills and communication. Cross training allows agents to handle multiple channels or product lines, while coaching and mentoring provide personalized support. Online learning modules can supplement continuous development efforts. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 6.4, organizations should maintain documents such as skills development policies, competency assessment frameworks, and annual training plans. Records including competency assessment results, individual training completion records, and skills gap analysis provide evidence that learning interventions are being applied effectively. Coaching and mentoring logs, certificates of completion, and performance tracking further confirm that agents are continuously developing and maintaining the competencies required to deliver a high quality customer experience. Clause 6.5 emphasizes the importance of communicating the right information to employees, so they can effectively handle customer interactions. The customer contact center must ensure that employees not only receive the information they need, but also understand it fully. Information should be readily accessible, delivered promptly, consistent across the organization, communicated appropriately across all locations, and always up to date and authorized. This ensures that agents provide accurate, efficient, and consistent service to customers. For example, a centralized knowledge base ensures all agents can access the latest information about products, services, and procedures. Updates on changes such as new product launches or policy changes can be communicated via emails, internal newsletters, or team briefings. Standardized procedures are shared across all locations to maintain consistency, while approved FAQs and scripts provide agents with reliable information during customer interactions. Regular updates on regulatory and compliance requirements ensure that agents always act within legal and organizational standards. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 6.5, organizations should maintain documents such as communication policies, knowledge management procedures, SOCEs, and internal newsletters. Records such as employee acknowledgements, knowledge base update logs, and training completion records provide evidence that information is being communicated effectively. Additionally, records of briefings, team meetings, and document version control audits confirm that the information shared is accurate, authorized, and consistent across the CCC.